Hi guys, I am gonna do another ringtone, not another, but I'm gonna do a ringtone video for you guys and to see how much you will like it and everything. I hope you guys do like it. I'm gonna show you one. It's called Best Gaming Style, and it's the song I like this very much. He can do this whole ringtone. It actually is the ringtone right now. I love that. And then I have a dog fader one, which is a good one. This probably won't be as loud as it was previously, because I hear it loud enough that makes me stomp a little bit. And then there's some other ones really cool, if I can find them. This one is, I think it's pretty cool. Not me. Oh, that's not it. That's not it. I thought it was. That was kind of not okay. It was not. It was stupid. Oops. Sometimes I'm going to end up. This is funny. It's like my best friend. My best friend is gone. I think this is the one. Sometimes no, it's not the one. Sometimes they're very like hard to find. Like there's the same. There's like this Angry Birds. I didn't know they had it. I have to show that for that. Like that's cool. I like the Angry Birds. I love Angry Birds. They're pretty cool. I like Angry Birds. I didn't like them at first until I played them. Then you get addicted to it. Maybe later I'll play I don't hear. No. Okay, sorry about that. Sorry about this. Sometimes I'm mixing up the ones that I had on here. Oops. No. I like this one, the Lion King. This might be it.
Yeah. Your sister is attempting to reach you on your cellular device.
That's the one I was trying to do, and then I came up with the music. Hold on. Easy to hold the phone like that. Okay, I'm trying to find you guys these. Trying to find. Oh, here's this one. If you guys never heard of the Big Bang Theory, this is it. If you guys have watched the Big Bang Theory, you will know that I love the Big Bang Theory. It's like one of my most favorite shows. There's the other one that I would want. There's like all kinds of them that's funny that I like. I think it's funny. There's this one, these Star Wars things. I got up on Star Wars, so I like them. If you guys don't know, you guys all probably do. Michael Myers. Silly. Power Rangers. Oh, never mind. That wasn't like a really good one. It was stupid, I remember. Sorry, I'm kind of trying to look for them. Yeah, I'm doing these because Dan's like been asking me this video because like one time we went on camera and we were doing these. He thought it would be a good idea if I did like video about it, so I do one. I do anything for that guy. There's this one. Okay. So, if you guys ever play Resident Evil, I do. It's Resident Evil 3. I think it's like the game, something like that. Superman. That's so cool. That is so funny. Superman. There's Pac-Man. I love Pac-Man. I love Pac-Man. That game's so much fun. Oh, this is so funny.
Yeah, hey, look, you probably don't want to answer your phone because it's work calling again. You'd think maybe just this one time they could make it without you. Maybe your boss should just get up off his butt and do the work himself. You're relaxing, you got the day off, the
I would hate to see that one. Like, I would hate to have that go off when my boss is in the room. I want to be pretty. It wouldn't be nice. Let's see. What's up? Where's Doc? Over here. Jessie! Come here. Come in. Come in. Down here. Come in. I'm gonna get ready to go to bed. No matter what I can. Is it already a pancake? No, I don't mind. I love you. Oh, me too.
Hey, I'm gonna lay down with Rob, but Drake's still out there. You know, when you get ready to go to bed and stuff, will you kick him off of that? Alright, thank you.
Sorry. This would be a nice little ringtone if I sit in that room and scare people. It would be kind of cool. That I would not like to have. I am terrified of ghosts, and somehow I am. I don't know why. Like, my mom is like in paranormal activity stuff. So she's like, she always watches those. When I watch it with her, like I can't sleep. You know, I honestly one time, I would watch this like Paranormal Activities movie, but it was like not an activity, you know, but it was like a movie of ghosts, and like I could not go to sleep all that time. It was like 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning when I fell back to sleep, and it was late on. I'm like, dude, that's why I was like, nope, I can't watch them anymore. Because if I do, then I can't sleep. I just cannot get to sleep. I don't know what it is. If I'm just knowing of something that you can't see is in there, or it can be in there and messing with you anytime it wants, and you cannot know who it is. That freaks me out. Well, here's Tarzan. I didn't think they had this, but okay, they might have just put new ones on here. Sounds like Ernie. Yeah. Okay. That wasn't as good as I thought it was gonna be. Yeah, so it was like horribly horrible, and they did not want to, you know, have to deal with it. So I just won't watch stuff like that. It just scares me, I don't know why. Really? That's so funny. They must have just put these on here because I've never seen them before. That's really weird. Oh. Soda. Cool. Oh, I think this might be it. Hold on.
Your friend is attempting to...
Nope. Dang it. Oh well, she can't find that one. Sorry if this is taking long. I have a lot of them. This is so funny.
We interrupt what you're watching right now to bring you this exciting story. Your cell phone is actually ringing.
That is so funny, I love that. It's like one of my favorite. I'm gonna show you. Well, I hope you guys had a great day and everything. I'm gonna get off because it's getting like really late and everything, and probably see you guys probably Saturday and Sundays. I hope you guys have a great day. Okay, bye. Darren, I hope you like this. Okay, so I'll see you guys. Bye.